Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Harvey AI and whether it can really handle complex legal works in 2025. So, Harvey AI is a legal AI assistant built on OpenAI's foundation. It is designed to support lawyers, paralegals, and law firms by drafting contracts, reviewing documents, and researching case law. So, let's look what it can do. Number 1, document drafting. Harvey AI can generate standard contracts like NDAs, leases, and employment agreements with contextual understanding. It pulls in jurisdiction-specific language when provided. Number 2, case research. It can summarize cases, compare legal precedents, and even cite them with proper formatting. This reduces the hours of manual research time. Number 3, review and redlining. Harvey identifies inconsistencies, flags risky clauses, and can suggest edits, all with human-like accuracy. However, it still requires final review by a legal expert. Number 4, security. In 2025, Harvey AI complies with enterprise-grade security standards, and most law firms deploy it in private cloud or on-premise for confidentiality. Harvey AI also has its limitations. Harvey doesn't replace lawyers. It assists with bulk work, but complex, high-stakes litigation still needs the human judgment. Also, it is trained mostly on US and UK law, so other jurisdictions may be less accurate. So, so for the final verdict, yes, Harvey AI can handle a surprising amount of complex legal work, especially for drafting, summarizing, and reviewing, but always pair it with an expert oversight to be more accurate. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.